Hey everybody, this is Tammy with Crafty Peep. I am the host of a craft room organization, along with my co-host Fabi with Arrows DIY and Christy with Christy's Crafty Cottage. This is right when you walk into my craft room. It's a little bit much for a lot of people, but it's perfect for me. This is the French doors closed to my craft room. A lot of storage. Here is my little cockpit, I call it. This is where I spend all of my time. It's a little U-shaped area. Here is my scrapbook paper. I have, I think, 50 trays of solid and printed cardstock. This is our huge window we have in there that lets a lot of light in, and I will be telling you all about that ribbon organization in the acrylic boxes in just a little bit. So I have some more ribbon there and some bead bar. I have about 3 bead bars. Here is some seasonal storage, some pretty things that make me smile. I always say keep things in your craft room that make you smile and make you just want to get in there and create. Here is where I spend a lot of my time, and I have ring lights because I do a lot of filming. I just got that organizational tote. Here's a better picture of my scrapbooking paper. More organization. Some of my totes still need to be organized. I just recently did this floral wall with about 5 laundry baskets from the Dollar Tree. It is working quite nice, and I have them organized by color. And this is just, I used to have a couch over here, now is all storage, but these are all family memories that make me smile. I have those large clear bins with more beads. That's a little picture my husband painted me. That's a little pig my husband painted me. And another little pig. Oink oink. I love them. This is us, our life, our story, our home. This is heading out into the entryway. I love anything Mackenzie Child. There's my grandmama. I say hi to her when I'm in there crafting. Here's some storage. The Pepsi bottles. I won a Peep challenge. A Peepsy it was called. A Pepsi and a Peep challenge. There's another view of all my pretties. I had that childhood board down in our basement in Illinois, so I have that. I made a Scrabble board with all of my family's names on there. So this is right when you walk into my craft room. It's a lot, but wait till you see what it used to look like. Around Christmas time, it became a just throw it all in there and close the doors for a while. But I have worked on it. I am a scrapbooker as well, and a paper crafter, I'm told it's called now. And these are just a few little pretties around my area. I bought that from my husband. We've been married 29 years. There's the picture of my kiddos, Andrew and Abby, and my family, and our wedding picture. And I have a picture of Ian that's up in heaven, and Bob's mom that's up in heaven, and a candle that I light up. No, I don't light it. A little battery operated. There's my little Crafty Peep logo. So fill your area with things that make you smile. Here's one of my bead bars on a turntable, and another one. I might have a slight obsession with beads. Here is my 7-foot craft table. I've got more storage at the far right, my electric typewriter that I'm going to use for my junk journals. And this is my scrap booking corner with more storage. This is right behind my desk with more storage. And I just got these from Target, and I have Nautical, Pioneer Woman. This is my behind my door with my extra paint, my extra wood, some extra ceramic candlesticks. Here is a better picture of my flower wall. And here is how I organized the ribbon. I took acrylic bins from Target, comic book boards, and take them off the spool with painter's tape, y'all, and it organizes them so much better. I saved probably 10 baskets of space. Here's my napkin storage. I went out in my garage and nabbed that 3-drawer brown. So now all of my napkins are in those 6 bins. I got that at Overstock for about $100. That is right by my desk. I have all of my stuff that I need on a daily basis in that rolling storage, and then my paintbrushes are on top of that one from Overstock. I got 2 from Ross, I believe, for like $12, and put my paint, my Mod Podge, my water, some of my scissors. Another little creative sign right at the desk. And here is the bad before the good. No judging. It was bad. It was real bad. My curtains do shut all the way, and I had a close sign, do not enter. So it has taken me off and on about 2.5 to 3 weeks to get it organized, but I got there. I donated a lot. I put probably 6 bins of storage outside. Nothing, it all went out into my entryway and came back. It did not come back unless I had a place for it. So my floor is pretty much empty. That is a picture of my entryway in my dining room. My husband was, woo! That was pictures of me getting some organizational bins to start the process. That is a dead corner that I have my pool noodles and canvases on. I am lucky I did not break a leg while I was organizing this. I just burnt my finger a couple times, but other than that, it was, it felt so good to get organized, and I never ever want it to look this bad ever again. So I hope you've enjoyed this and got some inspiration to clean up your own little craft area. And as always, stay crafty, sweet peeps.